Hello everybody, welcome. My name's Tahina and today I want to show you what I got in my September Ipsy bag. First, let's talk about the bag. I love this bag. I like that it has the purple, but I love how it's like iridescent. And it's got like a rainbow color. I don't know if you can, yeah, I guess you can see that in the video. But I love this. I've been off and on with Ipsy for a few years now, I guess. And basically, if I don't like the bag, I just skipped a month, to tell you the truth. But lately, I've been really liking the bags. So, I want to say for like 6 months, I've gotten bags. But I was out of town last month, so that's why I didn't do a video on it. But anyway, so on the inside of the bag is like a bright pink. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's like a neon pink, which I really like. So I'm definitely going to use this bag because I have, I want to say 50 to 100 of these bags, and there's a lot of bags that I would never use, so I'm probably going to try to sell them. The theme of September 2022 is You Got This, and I did actually get information on my card. I know sometimes you don't get information on the card of your items for whatever reason. I'm assuming it's whatever combination you have. If they made cards that month, you'll get the information for your items. And if you just have a weird combination that they don't have a card for, you don't get the card. I'm assuming that's what's going on here. So the first item was actually out of the bag. Get your Glow On Skincare headband. Now when I seen this, I thought this was weird because I've never gotten an item. I don't know if this is, no, I guess not. I was going to say, I don't know if this is like part of their Refresh brand or anything like that. I've never gotten anything like this from an Ipsy bag. So at first I was like, because they've actually been pretty good. Like I've always had issues with the Ipsy bags, like there'd be maybe 2 items I would actually use and the rest were like, you know, just random stuff. But in the last, I want to say 6 or so months, they've been really good. Like they've been on what I would have picked if I could have picked all my items. I don't see myself using it, but now that I think about it, I could use it to like do my skincare or put my makeup on or anything like that. So I probably will use this, and this is very, very soft. Like super, super soft. I love it. The next item is from Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Butter, which I do like their lotions. I don't think I've gotten a body butter before from them. I usually get the little lotions. And this definitely smells like pineapple. So if you don't like the smell of pineapple, you're not going to like this. I don't think there's any scent that I have gotten that I haven't liked with them. So I will definitely be using this. So the next item is from Basic Beauty. I wasn't sure if that was an S or a G. Okay, and it's a lipstick in the color Fall For You, which is like a deep, deep red. Swatch this. Now, normally I would not go for a color like this, but it's actually not as deep as it looks when you apply it. So I will give this a shot. So I don't know, because usually with the darker colors, because I'm so white, it doesn't look good on me. But this one might actually work. The next item is actually the item I actually chose. For some reason this month, Usually there's a couple of items I'm like, ooh, yeah, I want that, I want that. This month, there was nothing I wanted. And I just chose this because it was an eyeshadow. And, you know, the color looked okay. It wasn't a nude color. I always get nude eyeshadows from Ipsy for some strange reason. But this is by Lottie London. And it's a Power Foil Metallic eyeshadow in the color Outlast. If I can open this. Okay, there we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Was it supposed to be like that? Is mine broken? Hold on. Because it looks like intact. I don't know if you can see that right here, but it looks intact. And mine looks broken. So I'm going to have to contact them about that. They're pretty good with that. Yeah, mine's broken. Okay, so I'm going to have to contact them about that. They're pretty good though, because one time I got a highlighter that was broken, and I emailed them and they sent it right back to me. Like, I think like in a day it shipped or something like that. This is very light though. I don't know if it's just me or because it's broken, but it's not, it doesn't look as dark, or maybe I'm just spreading it out too much. It doesn't look as dark as it should be. So I'm kind of sad about that, but I know they'll be okay and they'll send me another one. The last item that I received is by Ciate London, which is a good brand. I always like their items. Is the Definer Liner in gold. Okay, so it says smudge proof ultra pigmented liner. So let's see. Oh, okay. Hopefully you can see that. It's right here. That's pretty. I like that. Smudge proof. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Well, it did smudge. Well, see, I got the eyeshadow on me, so I can't really tell if that's from the eyeshadow or the liner. But glitter is getting all over the place. But I will definitely use that. So, everything I would actually use. So this is actually a good bag again, even though I wasn't too sure about this one. Thank you for joining me, and please like and subscribe to see more items like this, and I will see you next time.